Hey UXPRENEUR, in this video, we're going to show you how to install the Elementor plugin and design your first landing page wireframe just like Robinhood when they launched their service. So grab that popcorn, let's dive in. So we will need a plugin, but that plugin will be called Elementor. I'm just going to go ahead and install it. I'm just actually going to skip this onboarding for now. I'm just going to exit for now. We'll come back to that in a minute. Decide later. I'm going to exit all the tutorial stuff. Now, when we go to themes under appearance, you'll notice that this has the basic one. What I do is I open theme details and I remove the others. I don't need any extra code or anything on our WordPress. I'm just going to delete everything. Now, I don't really like this theme because it doesn't have menu over here under appearance, as you can see. So what I do is I add a new theme and I just add Elementor's Hello Elementor. Okay, and activate it. And then I just click theme details and I delete that theme. All right, this gives us a nice blank slate. So let's do a new page. Now I'm going to come down here to the settings. I'm going to change it to Elementor Canvas. And it gives us a nice blank slate. Look at that. Ooh, beautiful. All right, so there's two ways I do it. You can either add an intersection here, or when you click plus, you could do the two columns. And I right click this blue area here at edit section, and then I get this. I always make it fit to screen, so that fits the height of that to the screen. You can see now I have two columns in the middle. Two columns work great for us. We're going to put in our image. We're going to put in our heading. We're going to put in our details, and we're going to put in our button. Now, you're probably not satisfied with the look and feel of this particular layout and things as we look at it. We're going to get to that next. But for now, I showed you how we can actually set this up. So you get a responsive design by default here in Elementor. And the next part that we're going to talk about is actually the brand and stuff, but this is actually how to set it up. So let's go ahead and publish. Let's have a look. All right. Indeed, if I remove all that, we have the archives page. Let's go back to customize our template here. And we're going to go to homepage settings. And instead of latest post, we're going to do a static page. And we're going to select that page that was created earlier as our main page. The post page, we'll add a new page. We'll just call it blog for now. Boom. Okay, that's the archives page. But for now, we're just going to publish this change. Now, let's go to our pages. And that's our post page. That's our front page. We're going to edit this with Elementor because it cannot be named Elementor number 11. All right, so I'm going to go down here to settings. You can see here. Now, typically, we might start out at home, but that doesn't help our SEO very much. We can just describe it as humdrum. Okay, let's update that. It's my little tagline. Let's go ahead and go back and just double check our permalinks. So we're going to go down to settings, permalinks, and I'm going to do post name instead of that, and I'm going to save changes. Okay. That way we have better SEO. And then we can go back to our page. And here you can see we have that updated. I like to click quick edit and change this slug. It doesn't really show up. It'll be homedrum.com regardless. But just for, the sake of being organized, I like to just name it home for now. So we have our privacy policy, we have our blog, and we have our home page. So the next thing is we actually want to edit this with Elementor and make it look good. Okay. So in color psychology, we can actually make this background black. So I'll right click, edit, and go to style, and we'll do a background normal and just change it to the color black. Okay. Now immediately this makes it feel kind of mysterious and authoritative, and that's one of the traits of black in color psychology. And then of course this headline here, I can change its style from blue to white for now. And this text line, lorem ipsum here, I'll change its style, maybe a lighter gray, kind of just Bob Rossing that. And then the button itself, well, for now we can change the button style just to sort of match. It's green. It's kind of fine actually as it is, but the text color, actually would be something like black to match this in this case. Okay, if we were doing something dark and mysterious like that. And then you could also change this to white if you wanted to. But having a little color in here definitely could help just to spice things up a bit. And green is really this color of relaxation, so I'm fine with it for now. But the content on there will have to say something like notify when live, something of that nature. And we can actually replace this with an email sign up in a minute. So, and we can also change the size. What's extra large do? Oh yeah. Okay, cool. And here we can say music therapy for the anxious. And I kind of like this little tiny headline in between here. So I can change this to be an H1, boom, and this to be an H2, and here I can say inspiration for the pros, and then change its style. We don't have to have it be blue, it could be kind of like and I'm okay with that for now. And then here, instead of that, we're going to write some benefits. Benefits sell better than features. So I like to use bullets and, active music playing soothes anxiety. Relax and earn money. Okay, some of these benefits. So maybe active music playing is the feature. So I'll just remove that. I'll just say soothe anxiety, relax, earn money. 3 benefits, and those can update later. I'm not really concerned about them, but let's just update this. Boom. Okay. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'll replace this image with an actual screenshot. So what I'll do is I'll just go to get a black iPhone mockup. And for now, this is looking pretty good and mysterious. Okay, maybe it's a little dated of a phone, somebody might say. This is also kind of mysterious, but it has 2 phones instead of 1. This is looking like an older phone still, but definitely could use it. It's an unblast. It's an iPhone 11. So it does have the notch at the top. So, you know, I might go ahead and just get this. And here's a 13. Okay, and then you also have this as well. Now that one looks really cool. I like it how it's cropped on the top and it has these annotations. Okay, not sure if it's easy to download or not, but let's go find out. Looks like we're going to have multiple angles of this. We can change the background. Let's see if there's a download button. Okay, it looks like we have to credit the author. Let's take a look at this. Is there another one? Nope. All right, here's our picture that we wanted. I'm going to right click, open it in a new tab. All right, that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and just, I'm going to copy the image address. And then come back over to our design here. And I'm going to actually close this. Okay. And so here I can choose it, insert from URL, boom, remove the extra, insert the media, boom. Okay. Now it's just kind of like here. It's not really doing much. It doesn't look like it's actually cropped off the side or something like that. So what I would do is go ahead and use full size. And I'll go ahead and right click and edit the image area. Looks like I want to change the style to have a height. See what happened there when I change the height? I get object fit. We're going to change to cover. Do view height. There we go. Okay, I might change the width of this section. So right click, edit section. Right now it's boxed. I'm going to say full width. Boom, here we go. Look at that. It kind of points to this area as well. I think that's pretty good. So update. Now that we've successfully installed the Elementor plugin and wireframed our first landing page, up next, it's time to focus on our brand mark. See you on the next video.